Controversy in Loxahatchee Groves. First, the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office announced it was leaving. Then there was a call to end the town manager contract. Now, a council member resigned. Contact 5 investigator Wanda Moore with what happens next.
Councilwoman Joyce Batcheler certainly not holding back in her resignation letter. She took aim at several issues, saying, quote, "Why is it okay in Loxahatchee but not other communities to dispose of human waste into groundwater, have illegal businesses operating throughout the town, build residential structures without permits, apply rules, regulations, and codes to residents differently," end quote. Certainly a scathing review from the former councilwoman. Tonight, council is talking again about the controversial contract with the town manager. Loxahatchee Groves is one of only 2 towns in the state that has outsourced almost everything to a private company. Tonight, that controversial contract back on the agenda and council down 1 voting member. I reached out to Joyce Batcheler but have not heard back. I'm going to be inside the meeting and I'm going to have a report for you tonight at 10 and 11. Reporting in Loxahatchee Groves, Wanda Moore, WPTV News Channel 5.